Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling and Merry Christmas. 就是圣诞快乐嘛，
好，
对不对？12月份就是充满圣诞气氛的一个月份了。
噔噔噔噔噔噔
噔噔噔噔噔 Santa Claus is coming to town. It is the month of Christmas right here, and I think we've taught some Christmas terms before, but you know, Christmas is so important and it's such a fun season. We should teach you again on how to say Merry Christmas and all sorts of the other goodies that are related to Christmas. 我觉得圣诞节呢，真的还是要来教大家，虽然以前肯定有教过，还是要跟大家这 review 一下这个圣诞的一些相关的这个字，好，要不要？
好啊，
圣诞快乐先嘛，对不对？怎么说？
圣诞快乐！
圣诞快乐 That means Merry Christmas. Yeah, okay. 那圣诞节的时候呢，大家都会要交换圣诞礼物。Okay, you gotta have your Christmas gifts ready.
圣诞礼物，
圣诞礼物 Okay, that's a Christmas gift. 你以前会过圣诞节吗？
我呀，
会啊。那你都怎么过啊？
去台路红旗头圣诞树
啊？什么是台历红旗？
圣诞礼物不用的该位搞完。
等一下，我听到你有拿到圣诞礼物出去哪里？是不是？什么是台路？
台路红啊？
台路红是
大马路啊？
大马路，你到大马路上过圣诞节哦？
好啊，
Really?
老朋友啊，你台路啊，请太宠给圣诞树，
这样子就可以省点钱，买好一点的礼物，对不对？
错
That's a good idea. Actually, I was just asking how Alice spent her Christmas before, and she said that she would gather a group of friends and they will go outside to the streets and find a huge Christmas tree. You know, there's always going to be some Christmas tree display somewhere in town, and then they celebrate Christmas in front of that, huh? 刚刚圣诞树 OK 也教了，还有另外一个，最后圣诞老公公 Santa Claus。
圣诞老阿公
哈，这样我听起来好不想当圣诞老公公哦。老阿公，
圣诞老公公哦，要很怪啊。
老阿公啊，
老阿公比较可爱啦。
Next time I see Santa, I'm gonna say that. It sounds like I'm calling him old grandpa, even though he is actually.
你要做圣诞老阿公吗？
我不要了。
送礼物。
So that's Santa Claus. Say it one more time.
圣诞老阿公。
圣诞老阿公。So there you go. Wish you have a very, very Merry Christmas. 圣诞快乐。
圣诞快乐，什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.